Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we delve into the fascinating world of the natural sciences. Today, we're going to explore one of the most intriguing creatures in the ocean, sea slugs. These marine animals have been a subject of interest for scientists and marine enthusiasts alike, and for good reason. Sea slugs, also known as nudibranchs, are a type of marine gastropod mollusk that has lost its shell over time. They belong to the phylum Mollusca, which also includes clams, mussels, and oysters. But unlike their shelled relatives, sea slugs have evolved to live without the protection of a shell, instead relying on their colorful appearance, toxic secretions, or other defense mechanisms to protect themselves from predators. So, why are sea slugs significant in the natural world? For one, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As grazers, they help to control the growth of algae and other marine plants, which can otherwise overgrow and outcompete other species for resources. Additionally, sea slugs serve as an important food source for many other marine animals, from fish to sea turtles. From a biological classification perspective, there are over 3,000 known species of nudibranchs, ranging in size, shape, color, and behavior. They can be found in oceans all around the world, from shallow tide pools to deep-sea environments. Some species of sea slugs are specialized to live on specific types of coral or algae, while others are more generalist feeders. Our understanding of sea slugs has evolved significantly over time thanks to the contributions of many scientists and researchers. One of the earliest recorded mentions of sea slugs dates back to the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle, who described them as sea caterpillars in his work Historia Animalium. Since then, scientists have made numerous discoveries about the biology, behavior, and ecology of sea slugs. One fascinating area of research on sea slugs is their unique ability to incorporate toxins from their diet into their own bodies. Some species of sea slugs can steal chloroplasts from the algae they eat, allowing them to photosynthesize and produce energy like plants. This process, known as kleptoplasty, has sparked interest among scientists studying the evolution of symbiotic relationships between animals and plants. In terms of research findings, there have been many significant discoveries about sea slugs in recent years. For example, studies have shown that some species of sea slugs are able to adapt to changing environmental conditions, such as ocean acidification and warming, by adjusting their physiology and behavior. Other research is focused on the complex relationships between sea slugs and their predators, including fish, sea stars, and other marine animals. One of the most interesting aspects of sea slug ecology is their interaction with other species in their environment. For example, some species of sea slugs have formed symbiotic relationships with sea anemones or corals, providing them with nutrients in exchange for protection from predators. Other sea slugs have developed mutualistic relationships with algae or bacteria, which help to provide them with essential nutrients. Unfortunately, many species of sea slugs are facing environmental challenges, from climate change to pollution and overfishing. As ocean temperatures rise and coral reefs bleach, sea slug populations are declining, which can have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. However, there is hope. By supporting conservation efforts and reducing our impact on the environment, we can help protect these incredible creatures and preserve the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. In my own expeditions in the field, I've had the privilege of observing sea slugs up close, and I can tell you that they're truly one of the most captivating creatures in the ocean. Watching a sea slug slowly make its way across a rock, its tentacles waving gently as it searches for food, is a mesmerizing experience. And when you learn about the complex relationships between sea slugs and their environment, it's like uncovering a hidden world that's been right beneath our noses all along. In conclusion, sea slugs are a fascinating and important part of the natural world, with a rich evolutionary history and complex ecological relationships. By studying these creatures, we can gain insights into the intricate web of life that sustains our planet and learn valuable lessons about the importance of conservation and environmental stewardship. So next time you're exploring the tide pools or snorkeling in the ocean, keep an eye out for these incredible animals. You never know what secrets they might reveal. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.